To filter the Best Places job market effectively, start by visiting the Best Places website and navigating to the Job Market section. Here you will find a comprehensive list of job openings across various locations and industries. Begin by selecting your desired job category, which can range from healthcare and technology to finance and education. You can also filter jobs based on location, either by entering a specific city or state, or by selecting from a list of major metropolitan areas. Next, refine your search by setting parameters such as job type, whether full-time, part-time, or internship, and the desired salary range. You can also specify the experience level required for the job, from entry-level to senior management positions. Another key feature to utilize is the ability to filter jobs based on growth rate, cost of living, and overall job market ranking. This allows you to identify areas with the most promising job opportunities and a high quality of life. To get the most out of your search, make sure to use specific keywords related to your job title or industry. You can also use the advanced search feature to filter jobs based on additional criteria such as company size, industry, and job function. As you browse through the job listings, take note of the job market statistics and trends provided by Best Places. This information can give you valuable insights into the local job market, including the unemployment rate, average salary, and major industries. By following these steps and utilizing the various filtering options, you can efficiently narrow down your job search and find the best opportunities that match your skills, interests, and preferences. Remember to stay up to date with the latest job market trends and adjust your search criteria accordingly to increase your chances of finding the ideal job.